Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Damie Alabi. I am a Nigerian blogger, vlogger, content creator. I create content from the beautiful city of Lagos here in Nigeria. If you've gone through my channel, you know I love, not just like love Owambe parties. I love weddings, I love parties, I love to turn up, I love to have a good time, I love to listen to live band, good music, eat good food, party small chops, like those things. They're for me. That's the club I know. Nigerian party, especially the wedding, the after party is the club I know. Now if you go through my channel, you see that I have a lot of videos of weddings that I've attended, parties, gele, food, what else, a lot of things that have to do with, basically the Nigerian wedding culture, parties and everything. That's because I'm very passionate. As you can see, I'm very passionate about Nigerian parties and Nigerian weddings. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you tips on how to survive. I say survive because sometimes it can be a struggle how to survive Nigerian Owambe parties. They're kind of like unwritten rules, things people do, but like I'm bringing everything to you so that in case you're like a first timer or you just don't know how to blend in, these are the tips you need to have an amazing Owambe weekend. Now the first way to survive or to have fun at Nigerian parties, ensure you eat before you leave the house. Here's the thing, I'm not telling you to consume a whole bowl of eba before you leave the house, just enough to get you, in the mood for a party. A hungry man is an angry man. So when you go for a party and then the caterers are not answering you, you will tend to, begin to act funny. So eat just a little bit, enough to take in some nice party jollof, small chops, good drinks, wine, everything that comes at the wedding. I know that the aim for a lot of people is to go and eat. The first thing you want to do before leaving your house is to eat, because when you go to the party, everywhere you will say Odu party, that means they're too busy to even really focus on you because they're trying to get other people settled as well, and it will just get really messed up. So, and also sometimes food come a little late. Some people will go and serve their friends, serve their family members, and before food even comes to you, your stomach is already rumbling. So just eat a little, and then when you get to the party, you can now, you can gauge the stomach. You can gauge the stomach when you get to the party. So the first tip is eat before you leave the house. Number 2. Now, as much as I don't want to say I'm not a fan of ashwebi because I buy ashwebi. I still think that ashwebi is still for the family. However, if you cannot afford to buy ashwebi for a particular party, say a 50th anniversary, a burial, whatever, ensure that you are wearing a color similar or close to the party color. Let me explain. So when you get a reception, right, there's servers, and I think it's Ibadan, the people that say this, or your people that say this, that ankara, jesemo, I'm not too sure. But what that means in English is if you're not wearing the ashwebi ankara, they won't serve you semo, which is like a party food, right? So you may not necessarily wear the lace, but wear something similar, like say the party color is onion pink and you have like onion pink already, or you have like baby pink or something. Wear it, because a lot of the times it is a way to associate yourself with the celebrant. When you buy the ashwebi, it's a way to associate yourself with the bride's family, the groom's family, the person celebrating a 50th birthday, the firstborn of the person that they are doing their burial or something like that. Do you understand? So if you don't have the ashwebi color, if you don't have the ashwebi per se, at least wear a color that is similar, so it kind of makes you blend in a little bit. If the ashwebi color is like red and you're wearing white or you are wearing yellow, it's not that you won't be treated well, just that you will get premium treatment if you were wearing the ashwebi or if you're wearing something a little similar. Ensure that you have a good time. The party planners have done their best to make sure that the party is good. The music is good, the food is good, decoration is lit, they have ushers and everything. However, everything may not necessarily go according to plan. Let me give an example. So you're the bride's friend, you came from Kaduna for this wedding in Lagos, and for some reason, the caterer is not attending to you, or the ushers are just being rude or something. See, is only normal. There are many things that happen at Nigerian parties, Nigerian weddings, that people take to heart. See, it's not that deep. Everybody is trying to just ensure that the other person is having a good time. The caterer is trying to just serve the food and make sure that everybody that's eating. The event planner is just trying to make sure that the celebrant looks great and everything is good for pictures. The ushers are just trying to do what they are being told. And Yoruba will say Ojudi, everywhere is It's organized chaos. Now, say you call a caterer, you're like, give me fried rice, and then the person forgets. You call a server, and server, you tell server, give me fried rice, and the person forgets. See, just let it go. It is not that deep. Do you understand? As much as possible, when you go for a Nigerian party, try as much as possible to have a great time. Be in the moment. Don't pick on things that don't even necessarily count. Don't pick on the other person's dress. Don't be too obsessed. Don't be too absorbed into what other people are doing. Have a good time. Listen to good music. Mingle, relate, network, just have fun. No matter how, there are many type of parties and many things happen. I've gone for a party where I didn't even eat at all. And some people will take that so hard, like, how can I go for this person's party and I didn't eat food? See, it's not even the organizer's intention that you would not eat. Those are the way things are going. Some people get vexed that they don't get souvenirs at parties. Like, your intention should be to go and celebrate with the person. If they don't give you souvenir, if they give you souvenir, the question is, did you give the celebrant a gift? So as much as possible, try to have a lot of fun, because really life is too short and Lagos is crazy. So when you have a party, you'll be like, yeah, and then what's that example dance, like, find a good sitting spot. In terms of food, for me, food is not the main thing. When I go to a party, I want to listen to good music. In fact, question of the day, drop me a comment down below, let me know what is the most important thing for you when you go for an Owambe party. Is it the food? Is it the music? Is it the jokes by the MC? Or is it fashion? People just around you? Let me know. So I went for a wedding last year. I got a really good sitting position, in that it was in front of the caterer, but the YouTuber in me could not sit down there because it was way behind, and I really wanted to see the couple. So I did something ridiculous with my sister. We got the seat, right? It was okay, there was food and everything, but then we now went back outside and came back inside. Like, we passed an exit and I went to pass the front door again, like as if we were just coming for the first time. And I made sure that I sat in front. I positioned myself in front. Now, there are different, for you, there are different reasons why you're going to a party. I'm going to a party to have fun, but at the same time, I want to document the memory as a YouTube. So for me, sitting close to the caterer is not my priority. Sitting in front where I can get good shots of the celebrant is my priority. But for you, maybe the food that you really want to have, so you can sit close to the caterer. Just get yourself a good seat that makes you feel comfortable. Overall, if food is your main priority and you want to eat, just sit close to the caterer, because as they are dishing it out, you will be getting it. For ladies, this one is key. See, I know that we like to slay, we like to be looking like, me and Tele. Ensure that you take flats with you. I remember last year, most of the weddings I attended, I wore slippers. So, like, I can't keep myself, not like slippers that is like bedroom slippers, but like I wore fancy slippers that looked really good. And because I always sew long gowns anyway, they don't show. Wearing heels, not bad. However, this is something that we should not be told. Take your flats with you, because there'll be a point that you'll be dancing. And I also want to point out, especially for bridesmaids, please, when you change to your slippers, make sure your slippers is something that is fine. It's always so annoying when people change their slippers and it's like what's going on? You had a very pretty shoe, you could just get a matching shoe, something that looks nice. But ladies, because you're going to be doing a lot of dancing or moving around, do not forget to take your slippers. Those are some of the tips that I have when it comes to having fun and enjoying a good party. Do not forget to make friends. If you're one that cannot go to a party alone, ensure you ask the celebrant. I know a lot of Nigerians don't do this. Ask the celebrant, can I bring somebody with me? If you can, take somebody with you, and it would kind of make it easy for you. I don't know how to attend Owambes alone, but I've done it in the past, and thank God I had good fun. Thank you so much for watching. If you attend a lot of parties, let me know. And what are the tips that kind of take you through, in a Nigerian party? How do you survive? How do you ensure that you're not distracted? How do you ensure that you have fun? You have a lit time? Thank you for watching. My name is Damie Alabi. Don't forget to check me out on social media. I am at Damie's Diary across all platforms. Check out my blog, damiesdiary.com.ng, and subscribe to the channel. I have lots of videos, Owambes. I have some weddings coming up. I'm going to Abeokuta for a wedding. I'm going to Ijebu for a wedding, and I'm going to to turn up. That Abeokuta is a trip I have been wanting to do for the longest time, and it's a whole weekend. So I'm like, girl. I'll see you guys in my next video.